Hey everyone, this is Ruth. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. We're going to be doing a little arts and craft. I received this as a gift from one of my good friends and I wanted to share with you all. So I received this gift right here. It's called The Art of Flower and it's a clear acrylic flower vase. So here, and then I bought some flowers from the arts and crafts store as well. So here are the flowers. I bought some white hydrangeas I thought would look really cute. And then I love the feeling of this, and these are called lamb's ear. So I bought 2 of these. And then the last one is some eucalyptus I thought would add some nice fullness to round out the bouquet here. So we'll go ahead and open this up right here. And this is how it looks like. I think it looks so cute. And it says the art of flowers. As long as there are flowers in life, it is not allowed to be associated with gloom. And so it also has the book title here and cute little round edges here. I thought that was really cute. I decided I wanted to do fake flowers instead of real one because when you put real water in the vase, the water is going to get dirty and then you're going to have to clean it a lot. And so I just felt like fake flowers are easy maintenance for me. And also this comes with a wipe. Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and kind of eyeball and see where I need to cut the stem because it's quite long. And you can cut the stems along these little like indents here. So I'm going to kind of roughly see where I want it. So actually I'll do a little bit higher. You can see. Sorry, might not be able to see it here. I think this is a good height. So I'll cut it here. My scissors here. Oh man, I'm struggling. So I cut it off camera, but this is how it should look like once it's done. Clean up the little edges. Okay. And then let's see how it looks. We'll go ahead and kind of just measure out the same and see kind of where we want it as well. So roughly about here. So off camera, I had to cut these with stronger wire cutters to make sure that when you're cutting these flowers, you have the right tools and that it's sharp too. So we're gonna go ahead and rearrange it. I think I kind of like it pretty simple by itself, as you can see here. And then I'll show you what it looks like with the others. And this is the final look with the eucalyptus and lamb ear. I mean, I like the fullness of it, but I'm not sure. So what I'll do is I'll keep the stems along the way it is, and in case I have to use a longer vase or taller vase, I can reuse these flowers. So I guess the moral of the story is make sure that you measure twice, cut once type of thing. But you know, I had to see it in the vase to really, you know, picture it in my head. So I think I'm going to go with the more simplistic look. All right, so I think this one is the winner. Just a simple look. Well, thank you for joining me in this video. Please comment, rate, share, and subscribe. Happy reading. I'll see you in the next one.